I bought a mini wind turbine generator. The seller said that as long as there's wind, it can charge a phone by converting wind energy into electricity. I thought, wouldn't that mean I could charge my phone for free? But the thing I bought for just a few dozen dollars is pretty basic. I have to assemble it myself, and I have to connect the wires myself too. That's not a big problem. I immediately took out a soldering iron and prepared to solder the contact points. I added some solder to reinforce the motor wires. Once the motor wires were connected, it was time to connect them to the circuit board. I applied a little solder and gently pushed the wire into place. It was easy to solder. The other side was done the same way. Guys, this thing is ready to go. Originally, I thought I could just put the cover on and call it a day, but then I noticed that the two wires had exposed sections that could touch each other. If that caused a short circuit, we'd be in trouble. So I immediately wrapped the exposed parts with electrical tape. Now there shouldn't be any problem. I put the cover back on and tightened the screws. Now, let's plug it in and test whether it can generate electricity. It works. The LED light is glowing. Now let's see if it can actually charge something. I connected a charging cable to a power bank that had no charge. When I turned the generator, the power bank's screen lit up too. Looks like this free energy source is going to be put to the test. So I took it outside and let it generate electricity. First, I secured the generator to a universal stand and raised it a little higher. The wind turbine has already started spinning and continuously generating electricity. I'll leave it here for a few days and see how much power it can generate and how much charge it can put into the power bank.